shooting with water.
അതിനകത്ത് കയറാൻ പാടില്ലല്ലോ.
Oh yeah, like Stockton.
Would you look at that?
We made it, guys.
I think the cool thing is that the water coming from Hetchy is singular
That's all he wrote. It looks so empty when we drove by it the first time.
Wait, no, it should be the same.
I guess not.